Guess he just missed all the signals. His goddamn heart just beat too fast. And that night she asked you for your jacket. She didn't want to give it back. And now they're gathered round the punch bowl, with office jobs and minivans. The only reason they showed up tonight was to live inside what might have been. She pulls a flask out of her jacket and spikes her drink. You raise your hand. She says you always were a lush boy. And can I tell you something else? All I really wanted was a ride back to your house, the night of homecoming. I know you drove a shitty car, but you always blasted ballads like November rain. The DJ spins, but no one's dancing. Instead, just talk of parenthood. After this we'll head up to the landing, he said. She said she didn't think she could. And an introduction to her husband. You're telling me he's a lucky man. Then it plays over again. All I really wanted was a ride back to your house, the night of homecoming. I know you drove a shitty car, but you always blasted ballads like November rain. I saw our storm-soaked shirts pulled over our heads, and the dashboard lights drawing our silhouettes. All I really wanted was a ride back to your house, the night of homecoming. What good is it to know now? Now that nothing can be done. She said I could tell you always wondered. Well, now your wondering is done. All I ever wanted was to drive you to my house, the night of homecoming. Your hair was up in curls and I couldn't seem to speak in complete sentences.